Hello everyone, you're watching your favorite series, Tip of the Cryptoberg. I'm Vinita Chatterjee and today we are going to discuss CBDC in depth. How does CBDC matter to you, me or any of our lives? Well, as much as money matters to you or banking matters to you, the same way CBDC is going to affect all our lives. So let's find out what is the crux of CBDC. CBDC or Central Bank Digital Currency is a digital form of fiat currency issued by the central banks of respective countries. It is the same as the UPI payments or NEFT transfers, where we use the same ledger as our cash money. This form of central bank money is created and transacted over a distributed ledger technology involving either permissioned or permissionless DLT. This form of money is different from the balances that we usually find in traditional reserves or settlement accounts. So, CBDC is a digital payment instrument denominated in the national unit of account that is representing a direct liability to the central bank issuing the same. Now, a natural question that comes to all of our minds is that central banks are already issuing paper currency notes and minting metal coins. So, why do they need to issue CBDCs in the first place? Also, isn't the UPI or NEFT kind of digital transfer systems enough? So, quite evidently, it isn't just the digital nature of CBDCs which are attracting the central banks towards adopting CBDCs, but there is obviously something more. Now we all know that blockchain systems comes along with a few salient features. It is a digital transparent ledger, so hiding transactions would be impossible over it. Secondly, it is very difficult to create or issue digital CBDCs unless the issuer or central banks issues the same, which essentially means that the problem of counterfeiting banknotes will be taken care of permanently. We also know the blockchain system creates a tamper-proof record, while centralized ledgers of the banks can still be tampered with, so the CBDC is more secured over a blockchain than centralized ledger. As we know, CBDC is a digital instrument that does not require any physical branches to service the remote, unbanked areas. So, it can work wonders for financial inclusion. The advantage of CBDC system is also that it brings about efficiency in payment systems. Multiple payment points can be included into the system, and it could also simultaneously cater to large transaction amounts as well as manage the micro payments digitally without the involvement of low-value coins. Furthermore, a CBDC system provides the economy an alternative to cash and makes transactions seamless. And it also helps the entire population from participating in monopolistic and oligopolistic systems of payment applications without sharing their crucial financial information with these big technology companies. Now let's find out what are the various types of CBDCs. CBDCs can be broadly categorized into two types. One that is used for domestic payment systems, that is termed as retail CBDC, and the other which is used for cross-border payments, which is also known as wholesale CBDCs. As more and more countries are coming up with their CBDC products, interoperability in major CBDC countries would become an issue to tackle later on. But wholesale CBDCs present a very good opportunity to have transparent and tamper-proof cross-border payment systems, which in turn improves the counterparty credit risk in cross-border payments and settlements between banks. One more advantage of CBDCs is that it will widen the scope for crypto adoption in general population. Lack of clear regulations and confusion about the status of cryptocurrencies is a major deterrent to the adoption of cryptocurrencies in the mainstream. The concept of decentralized way of doing finance is a big hurdle to people who have proliferated in the centralized system and are habituated to it. With the central bank adopting the decentralized version, it will definitely be a confidence booster for the people to try out other crypto assets with confidence and help prosper adoption. As of November 2021, we have 7 countries who have already launched their CBDCs. These include the Bahamas, St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and Grenadines, Grenada, and Nigeria. 16 countries are also in the pilot stage of launching their own CBDCs that include China, South Korea, Hong Kong, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Ukraine, Lithuania, Sweden, Jamaica, Anguilla, Montserrat, and Dominica. 15 countries are in the development stage, of which the most notable countries are Japan, Russia, Australia, South Africa, Brazil, Canada, Switzerland, and France. Along with that, 39 countries including USA, UK, India, Euro area are also in the research stage. Now you know what is CBDC all about and what is the importance of CBDC in our lives. For all this interesting content, keep watching your favorite channel Crypto TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.